The dichotomy of control, what you can and cannot control. Imagine standing in the middle of a storm. The winds are howling, the rain is pouring, and chaos surrounds you. In that moment, you realize something profound. You cannot control the storm, but you can control how you respond to it. This is the essence of the dichotomy of control, a central principle of Stoic philosophy. Welcome to the Stoic Vault, where we delve into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism to help you master your emotions, navigate challenges, and live a fulfilling life. Life is full of uncertainties. From the actions of others to the unpredictable events of the world, much lies beyond our grasp. Yet amidst this chaos, there exists a profound truth. While we cannot control everything, we can control our thoughts, choices, and actions. This is the dichotomy of control, a concept introduced by Epictetus, a former slave turned Stoic philosopher. In this video, we'll explore what the dichotomy of control is, why it's essential for a peaceful life, and how you can apply it to transform your mindset and actions. Section 1. What is the dichotomy of control? At its core, the dichotomy of control divides life into two categories: things you can control, things you cannot control. Epictetus, in his Enchiridion, famously said, "Some things are up to us, and some things are not." But what does this mean? Let's break it down. Things you can control. These include your thoughts, emotions, actions, choices, and reactions. For example, if someone insults you, you can't control their words, but you can control how you respond. Things you cannot control. These include the weather, the economy, other people's opinions, and even the ultimate fate of your life. No matter how hard you try, you cannot dictate these external factors. By focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you cannot, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and frustration. Illustration. Imagine you're a sailor navigating rough seas. You cannot control the wind or the waves, but you can control how you steer your ship. This distinction is the foundation of Stoic resilience. Section 2. Why is the dichotomy of control important? The dichotomy of control is not just a philosophical idea, it's a practical tool for achieving inner peace. Here's why it matters: reduces anxiety. When you focus on what you can control, you stop worrying about things beyond your influence. This shift in perspective reduces anxiety and helps you stay grounded. Enhances resilience. Life is unpredictable, but by accepting what you cannot control, you become more adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges. Empowers decision-making. By concentrating on your choices and actions, you gain clarity and confidence in your decisions. Example: consider a job interview. You cannot control whether the interviewer will like you or if the competition is strong. However, you can control how well you prepare, how you present yourself, and how you handle rejection if it comes. Section 3. Practical applications of the dichotomy of control. Understanding. The dichotomy of control is one thing, but applying it is where the real transformation happens. Here are practical ways to incorporate this principle into your daily life. 1. Daily reflection. At the end of each day, reflect on your actions and identify situations where you focused on what you could control. Ask yourself, did I act in line with my values? Did I let go of things outside my control? This practice not only reinforces the Stoic mindset, but also helps you grow. 2. Respond, don't react. When faced with a challenging situation, pause and ask, is this within my control? How can I respond in a way that aligns with my principles? Example: if someone cuts you off in traffic, instead of reacting with anger, acknowledge that their behavior is beyond your control. Focus on driving safely and maintaining your peace of mind. 3. Set internal goals. Instead of tying your happiness to external outcomes, set goals based on your efforts. For example, external goal: I want to win this competition. Internal goal: I will give my best effort, regardless of the result. This shift ensures that your sense of fulfillment comes from within, not from external validation. 4. Practice negative visualization. A powerful Stoic exercise is to imagine worst-case scenarios. By mentally preparing for challenges, you reduce their emotional impact and appreciate what you have. Example: before a big presentation, visualize potential setbacks such as technical difficulties or tough questions. By anticipating these challenges, you'll feel more confident and prepared. Section 4. Lessons from Stoic philosophers. The dichotomy of control has been a guiding principle for countless Stoic philosophers. Here are some of their insights. 1. Epictetus. Epictetus emphasized the importance of focusing on our will and character. He said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." 2. Marcus Aurelius. In his Meditations, Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Marcus practiced this principle as a Roman emperor, facing immense pressure and challenges. His writings remind us that true power lies in self-mastery. 3. Seneca. Seneca taught that external events are neither good nor bad. It's our judgment that makes them so. He advised, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Section 5. The modern relevance of the dichotomy of control. In today's fast-paced world, the dichotomy of control is more relevant than ever. Social media, news, and societal expectations constantly pull our attention toward things we cannot control. By practicing this Stoic principle, you can navigate social media wisely. Instead of seeking likes and validation, focus on creating meaningful content that aligns with your values. Handle criticism gracefully. Recognize that others' opinions are beyond your control. What matters is staying true to yourself. Maintain work-life balance. Accept that you cannot control every aspect of your career, but you can prioritize your time and energy effectively. Section 6. Embracing emotional discipline. Stoicism teaches that emotions, while natural, should not control us. The dichotomy of control helps you recognize when emotions are tied to external factors. By focusing on your internal response, you can cultivate emotional discipline. Example: if you feel hurt by a friend's comment, reflect on whether their words truly define your worth, or if your reaction stems from misplaced concern. This shift in perspective can free you from unnecessary pain. Section 7. Building resilience through acceptance. Resilience comes from accepting life as it is, not as we wish it to be. The dichotomy of control helps you embrace this mindset by reminding you that some events are beyond your influence. Instead of resisting reality, adapt and move forward. Illustration: a tree bends in the wind to avoid breaking. Similarly, by accepting challenges and focusing on your response, you grow stronger and more flexible in the face of adversity. Section 8. The role of virtue in the dichotomy of control. In Stoicism, virtue is the highest good. By focusing on what you can control, you align your actions with virtue. This includes wisdom, making informed choices; courage, facing difficulties with bravery; justice, acting fairly and with integrity; temperance, exercising self-control. By cultivating these virtues, you live a life of purpose and fulfillment, regardless of external circumstances. Section 9. Overcoming the fear of failure. Fear of failure often stems from focusing on outcomes beyond our control. The dichotomy of control shifts your focus to effort and growth, making failure less daunting. Example: an artist may fear negative reviews, but by focusing on creating authentic work, they find joy in the process rather than the reception. Section 10. Finding freedom in letting go. True freedom lies in letting go of what you cannot control. This doesn't mean apathy. It means living with intention and clarity. By embracing the dichotomy of control, you free yourself from the burden of unnecessary worries and focus on what truly matters. Closing thought. As you navigate life, remember the wisdom of the Stoics. Focus on your sphere of control and let go of the rest. In doing so, you'll discover a profound sense of peace and empowerment. Conclusion. The dichotomy of control is a timeless reminder that peace comes not from controlling the world, but from mastering yourself. By focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you cannot, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and find clarity in the chaos of life. As you navigate your journey, remember the words of Marcus Aurelius. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Thank you for joining us on the Stoic Vault. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into Stoic philosophy. Together, let's embrace the wisdom of the Stoics and build a life of purpose and resilience. See you in the next video.